So these lug nuts are stuck on, and I have Tyler holding the brake pedal down because even just the slightest movement, I couldn't generate enough leverage to get these lug nuts off. Shit! What was that? You hear that pop? What was it? Oh, I think it's the front wheel falling off. That's fine. Okay. Don't want to damage the car. It's in such pristine condition. Boy, if your uncle were here, he'd be really upset. Get the right bicep view. Yeah. Slicks. Yeah. I don't think the kind of slicks you want. Your boss is coming.
Myself? What you doing?
I forgot, what's that?
What'd you
I'm
forget?
away, I'm sorry.
No, you're not in the way. People would love to see you. A little shakedown run with the new wheels. And yeah, I'm pretty confident on this. It just died. Well, live and learn. Check your gas gauge before you take your project car out on the highway. Well, good to have a strapping young man with you. And the saga continues. It looks like we have blown a fuse or a fuel pump or something, so we'll see. All right, dude, thanks for letting me help me get my car here. Just tuck and roll.